Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Michigan. And I promise you this video is like 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more. It's so fast and easy. Click the link in the description below. I'm going to be showing you on the Taylor Brands website how to get your LLC. At the same time, you can follow along so that it's really super easy and you can just do it step by step with me. I've seen so many videos on YouTube with like chapters and like all this complex stuff. I have no idea what they're doing. I'm telling you, this process is really fast and easy if you just follow along. So again, click the link in the description or pinned comment below, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so we're going to start by clicking Michigan on the Taylor Brands website. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions. And now it's going to ask what stage we're currently in. Just select what applies for you at the moment. And then what industry do you fall into? So you may fall into a couple different categories, but as you type something in, for example, I do eyelash extensions. You can see as I type in E, so many options come up and they get really specific. So they'll probably have what you're looking for. And then are you offering either a good or a service? If you happen to be doing both or one of them, click what applies for you. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want to hire employees. It's totally fine. It's not going to affect your LLC, and you won't have to change anything. So just click what applies for you at the moment. Now you're going to type in the business or home address zip code that you use. So for me, since I'm mobile, I'm going to use my home zip code. And where are you serving your customers? You're either selling online, which could be like website, e-commerce, at a brick and mortar, which maybe is like some sort of shop, store, retail, things like that, or on the go, like mobile, maybe landscaping, eyelash extensions like me, real estate. So I'm going to click on the go. And let's just say, for example, I had a website that I was selling products. I can click this too. So click all that apply for you. And now today we're going to make sure we click LLC highlighted in blue. And I also want you to select EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes. You're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So it's just really important to have. And at some point down the line, you will need an EIN number. And you guys, Taylor Brands is cool because it offers all of like your business needs in a one-stop shop. So maybe you need like a license or a permit or like a logo made. You can click any of these to check out. Today we're just going to do these two here. And this is a survey asking what we've done. We can skip this part. And you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, I love this. So Taylor Brands offers a free 12-week business coaching program. I love free stuff. And especially if it can help me make more money in my business, why not, right? So I'm going to click yes on this. If for some reason you want to hit no, that's up to you. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, again, it's asking, would you like Taylor Brands to get your EIN number for you, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, it's through the IRS website. They only allow you to file it Monday through Friday. So for example, I'm filming this video on a Saturday. I would have to wait till Monday for some reason to do it. And I also, in my opinion, I feel like government websites are kind of like not set up good. I just feel like it's a little stressful for me, and I'd rather not deal with it. I feel like they're hard to navigate. So for me, it's completely worth having Taylor Brands file it for me for $99. Literally me clicking this button is like, I no longer have to worry about it. So it's worth, dealing with any stress for them to just do it for me. And you guys, a registered agent, don't get thrown by this term. It's basically who is receiving the mail for your business, right? So if you live in Michigan and you're filing your LLC in Michigan, you are your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in Michigan, but you're opening an LLC in Michigan, then you will need to appoint someone that lives in the state. So if your accountant has told you otherwise, or maybe you're just really not sure, you have some sort of different situation, Tailored Brands can figure it out for you. But like I said, if you live in the state, open your LLC in the state, you will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, you'll have to pay a bunch of fees and fines and late fees, which we obviously want to avoid that. So if you think you'll forget to renew it, Tailored Brands can do it for you every single year automatically. It's $199. Definitely worth considering if you have a lot going on. For me, I'm going to try to save some money, so I will handle the compliance myself. But again, make sure you remember, otherwise you're going to have to pay some late fees. And a branding toolkit, I'm just going to click no here. And real quick, you guys, look, we're like 70% of the way done. So let's just keep going. So if you want to pay for a 2-day expedited filing fee, that means you get your LLC in 2 days from now. It's only $49. I feel like it's so worth it. I want to get started with my business right away. If you're not in a rush, they can get it to you in 2 weeks, which is still pretty quick. It's up to you. And your operating agreement, you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So click, I'll figure it out myself. And would you like this formation kit? I'm going to click no. Okay, and this is an amazing service that they offer. I love that they have this as an option. So let's just say your business, you don't really have something set up yet for how you're going to organize like your finances, or maybe your business was small and it like blew up. It's huge now, which is great for you, right? But they offer a service where they will get all of your invoices, bookkeeping, finances, all that good stuff super organized. So, if you feel like you can't catch up with your business or you're kind of really disorganized, they will get that all together for you and help you figure out a system that works best for you so you can get rid of that stress. I don't know the price, but they give you free trials, so it's worth checking out if you want to get really organized. Right now, I have a small business, so I'm going to manage my books and invoices on my own. But down the line, I will probably switch over to this service. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, you can check out all these different things they offer, but today we just need this light plan. No need to pay anything extra. And that's it. So here's what we're paying for today. So the Michigan state filing fee is $53. That's just the mandated state filing fee no matter how you file your LLC. We're getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying that $49 for 2-day expedited filing for our grand total. After your LLC is filed, then they will file your EIN number. So the $99 for the EIN will be charged after. So don't be surprised if you see that fee come in. It's just that second filing for you. All right, we're going to continue to payment. And that's it. So now you're going to enter your credit card information. Afterwards, they're going to ask for your address. They're basically asking where you want any information about your LLC sent to. So since I'm mobile, I always use my home address. I haven't had any issues with like spam mail or junk mail, anything like that. So I definitely recommend to use your home address. If you have like a shop or store, you can always use that address as well, but you're not going to get bombarded with junk mail. Yeah, that's it, you guys. So you have just filed your LLC and EIN number. I hope this was really easy to follow along, but if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. That's it. So I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.